Alright guys, follow me. Let me take you to the bridge of New Banana Highland. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Are you following me? I want to show you. Currently we are at the entrance of New Banana Highland. I want to show you the bridge. The bridge of New Banana Highland. So that you will see that New Banana Highland is just 6 million naira. Are you getting me now? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, can you see all these things? This is the entrance of New Banana Highland. Are you seeing it? Entrance of New Banana Highland. Yes, so now the entrance be this. I won't carry you. Go New Banana Highland. Now the entrance be there. So follow me more they run, they go make a shake. More they go, they are soon finish, they are soon finish this road. Follow me more they go. Yes, so now New Banana Highland, we they go like this. Yes, so hey, New Banana Highland, oh the see my face where now Madam Peku Africa be this. Now good news, mama. No be another person. And they carry you go New Banana Highland. No be that New Banana Highland. After they tell you that 6 million, and they live for 6 million because of you. Hey, after now, if they complete this bridge, they see so now, you go beg me, that time now we go do you guys. Now 10 million now. You don't understand me, sir. So follow me. Make we they go New Banana Highland. At the entrance with this one, they see her like this. The entrance of New Banana Highland. I want to show you the bridge. See the land, all this land where they here. See all these lands where they here. You see those lands there, now be New Banana Highland. You see all those lands, now be new. You see this gutter, they don't do and finish. Just the wicked don't do this land finish. Wait till they wait for see gutter, new gutter, everything at Julius Berger Construction Company. Now then they do now then they in charge of this construction, and you trust them with their work. Then go finish everything sharply. So follow me, make I show you the best. So you see, say we don't reach the bridge of New Banana Highland. This bridge, now they connect you straight from here, from Port-Harcourt Road to Refinery. You they see the bridge, so hey. Ooh, New Banana Highland. Now the bridge is yes, so New Banana Highland. New Banana Highland. See, I want for because I say you must see New Banana Highland with your eye. You must see the bridge with your eye. Now make a one for so because of you. Oh, you follow me. You need to see so that you go know say this New Banana Highland, there is nothing like it. It's a rare opportunity. Okay? Let's go. So now the bridge now with this. So see. You they see work is going on. Construction is going on. See the bridge here. Where then they construct New Banana Highland. Now the place be this. The bridge now here with the New Banana Highland. You they see the bridge how then they construct them. Sharp. In the next few months, once they finish them, that's how the money go move. Money go increase like this. So what do they wait for? Sharply call me 09034296519. Call Madam Peku, Madam Dollars, aka Mama Good News. Collect your 1 plot of New Banana Highland. Collect your 10 plot, collect your 30 plot. Use for company, use for school, use for anything. Or buy and keep later. You sell them, make your money. No allow another year here because the way people they rush this New Banana Highland, it be like say they don't see good inside that place. Not tell anybody say na me tell you. You understand me, sir? Not tell anybody, I just a whisper for you. So make you rush. Come collect her. You dey here. Yes, so I dey wait for you.